Hey Artland, how's it going today? For today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw a cartoon Grim Reaper. I hope you guys enjoy this drawing. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. I want to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around, and it's going to come up to here. Then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it up here. I want to have that little bit of space right there, or that little line hanging off. Next, I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to curve down. And this time, I'm going to make this a little smaller. I'm going to go up and then bring it to here. For the nose, you want to draw a little line that goes up and down, and then connect it here. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that goes out and in. And then over here, I'm going to make a line that goes down, and it's going to come in like this for the sides of the cheeks. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to go out and then bring it in just a little bit. And then I'll bring it up a bit here too. Now I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it all the way back to here. So I'm going to draw this all the way to here, and then bring it right to a little bit above that cheekbone area. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and over. Then I'm going to take it up. Then I'll go down, over, and up again. And then down, over, and then up to here. Now, starting up here, we're going to make a little line that goes out, and then I'm going to curve it down. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes out and comes into here. Next, I'm going to start here, and we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve out and then come to here. And I want to start here. Let's make a line that goes down. It's going to curl around. I'm going to bring this up and down to here for the hood. I'm going to take this line and bring it down here a little farther. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm going to curve it over. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. I'm going to draw a line that goes over, and then I'm going to bring it up here. I'm just going to have a couple little fingers sticking out of here, so I'm going to draw a little line that curves out and comes back. Another one here, and then I'll make one right there. And I want to add a little line in between each one, just to show that they are made of bone. Now, starting here, I'm going to take this and I'm going to curl this up and back. Start right in here, I'm going to go down, I'm going to curl this up, it's going to come in, and I'm going to bring it right up to here. Now right here, you want to draw a line that goes down. We'll draw a little line that goes up, then a little line that goes down, and it's going to curl back up. Then we're going to draw a little line that goes up to here, and we're going to bring it right back up to the body. Now for the hands, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and down, and it's going to curl back around here. I'm going to make a little line that curls around for an oval. One more here, and then one more right there. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes up and a line that goes down. I want to go over and then back up. And I'm going to continue this up to here and then connect it. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a little curved line. And then to add the part of his little scythe, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out. And it's going to curve down. May go a little longer. I'm going to make this come to a point. I'm going to bring it back up to here. Then I'm going to add a little line that goes right down the edge. Right here, we're going to finish off the hand. I'm going to draw a little line that goes up. And just like I did over here, I'm going to add a little curved line in between each finger to show that they're made out of bones. Now, just for some quick little details in the eye here, I'm going to draw a little line that curves up on each side and one on the nose as well. I'm going to add an extra little line here on the hat or the hood. And I'll add a little line that just goes up, down, and up, over, and down for the top of the scythe. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Grim Reaper. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.